Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink camera system, quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Blink camera system. Locate the Blink Sync module and insert the included batteries. Connect the Sync module to your Wi-Fi network using the Blink app. Download the Blink app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Blink app and create a new account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and tap on Add a device on the home screen. Select Blink wireless camera from the list of devices. Follow the prompts to connect the camera to the Sync module. When prompted, scan the QR code displayed on the app with the camera lens. Position your camera in a location that provides a clear view of the area you wish to monitor. Use the mounting bracket to secure the camera if necessary. Adjust the camera angle to capture your desired view. Run a test to ensure the camera is functioning properly by checking the live feed in the app. Customize your camera settings, such as motion detection sensitivity and alert notifications. Repeat this process for any additional Blink cameras you wish to set up. Once set up, monitor your camera feeds directly from the Blink app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.